how to turn on specific group disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on specific group disappearing messages on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and click this one, select your group and then click here and stop and scroll down until you find disappearing messages. Click on it, and then if you want to turn it on, just select anything you want here and click on it like this one and go back. It will be saved, and that's it. As you see, disappearing messages have been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.